Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. I just finished washing my hair, that's why I have my cotton t-shirt on. I always use this to soak up any excess water, and now it is time to style my hair. I'm really happy because I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I have not done a wash and go in months. As you can already tell by the title, I am going to be using the Wetline Xtreme gels. I haven't used the clear one, but I have used the blue one, and it is my current staple. So I was really excited to see how the clear one would work in my hair. And of course, I'm sectioning my hair into quadrants as I always do because it really helps me to stay nice and focused on taking care of my hair as a whole. Now that my hair is separated into quadrants, it's time to do the WLOS method. First, I'm going to start with my water, and I use Essentia water. I just put it in the spray bottle. I didn't put anything extra in this time. I just have water only, and I'm really saturating my hair because I wanted to get it nice and moisturized before I put my leave-in conditioner in. So I separated my hair again into subsections within the quadrant and sprayed some more water in it. Now I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner, and this is from Shea Moisture. It is their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair leave-in. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. It has a creamy consistency, so it's a little bit thicker than just one of those watery leave-in conditioners. So for that reason, I really love it. For my oil, I'm going to be using jojoba oil because it is lightweight, and I really love using jojoba oil anytime where I want to seal that moisture in with oil, but I don't want a heavy oil. So I will use jojoba oil, and then I'm just going to comb this subsection of hair really well with a wide tooth comb, just making sure that the leave-in conditioner, the water, the oil, everything is distributed well. And then I'm going to twist this section of hair, making sure that the moisture stays in my hair. It's really important that I keep moisture in, not just apply moisture in my hair, but I really want to retain that moisture because this is what is helping me with length retention. And then I am going to smooth my hair out with my favorite Rattail Comb because I want to make sure that my hair stays nice and smooth all the way through from beginning to end, because this way my styles, they last a lot longer, especially the ends. They don't puff up, they don't get frizzy, they don't get dry and brittle. I really want to smooth all the products in my hair, really making sure that all of my hair is receptive to the products because it just really helps with healthy hair overall, length retention, you know, the full nine. And I also moisturize my hair throughout the week, just really keeping up with the health of my hair because I really want to maintain that integrity. After I have both subsections of hair twisted, this is really keeping that moisture in. I'm telling you, I highly recommend it. I do the same exact thing to the other sections of hair, and this really allows for moisture to stay in my hair and my styles. And again, I did the same exact process to the front of my hair, and I'm just going to clip it up. And now it is time to use the Wetline Xtreme gels. So like I said, I'm going to use both gels but on different sides because I really want to know what the difference is between these gels. And look at this moisture in my hair. I'm telling you, the WLOS method is bomb. So now I'm just going to take a small section of hair, and I'm going to start with the blue Wetline Xtreme gel. As I've already mentioned, this is my staple gel for doing any crazy defined wash and go that I have. And I'm also going to use the Denman brush. I love using this one. I do have the black Denman brush and I don't really like it. This is the brush that I'm always using anytime that I do a wash and go, whether I'm using this gel or not. And as you just saw, I'm just applying a generous amount of the gel to each subsection of hair, and then I'm smoothing the brush through my hair. I really want to make sure that the gel is really in my hair, not just a little bit. I just really want it to take hold, and this gel is really nice and dense, and that's really why I love it. And it really clumps my curls together between the gel and using the Denman brush. And after I swirl the brush around, I'm just going to shingle my hair, and you see how well defined my curls are. This is exactly why I love doing this process. I do apply a good amount of the gel because I want my style to last, and this is one of the reasons why my style, well, my wash and go will last me up to 15 days if I want. I have had a couple times where I've had a wash and go last for 2 weeks and I use this gel. So this is one of my favorite gels, no lie. And the way that I get my curls to clump in this way is because I'm curling the brush around, almost like a Shirley Temple curl. So it does create a different curl pattern and I really love it. So my technique is very easy on wash and goes. I do the WLOS method, and for my S, which is my styler, I'm using a gel and then I'm just applying a generous amount of the gel to my hair, smoothing it in with my fingers. I also want to make sure that I get the ends. So I want to get my roots because I don't want it puffing up, and I also want to get the ends of my hair, I mean all over, but I'm specifically making sure my roots are covered and the ends are covered. And then I'm just smoothing my hair through with the brush, and towards the end I just twirl it around like I'm using a curling wand, and then I'm just curling it around like a Shirley Temple curl. I mean, that's pretty simple. That's all I'm doing. And then I just shingle my hair around because this really gives me that definition. It really enforces that curl pattern and allows my curls to stay like this, clumped together in this curl pattern until I wash it. And after doing that lengthy process on the left side of my hair, here's how my curls look. Now it's time to do the process again on the right side of my hair. So again, I'm doing the same exact method. I already did the WLO, and now for my S, this is my styler, the clear gel. So I'm taking a subsection of hair, I'm applying a generous amount to each subsection of hair, and what I noticed straight off the bat is that this gel is a lot lighter. So it's not as dense whatsoever. It's more liquidy, I would say. It has a similar hold, but it is not as dense as the blue gel, that is for sure. I mean, both of them performed in a similar way, but the first thing that I did notice that this gel is a lot lighter than the blue gel. So I think that it should be a given that I did apply just a little bit more of the clear gel because I really wanted to make sure that my roots all the way down to my ends got covered in this gel. And also I did want to note that I did wash the Demon brush, so I'm not getting any of the blue gel onto the right side. So both sides have just that gel on it. And I was also thinking of making a video more in detail how I do my wash day process. So let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see that. And fast forward to the last section of hair, I'm applying a generous amount of the gel, just really smoothing it in with my fingers, making sure that all of my hair from the roots down to the ends of my hair have the gel. And then I like to smooth the gel in my hair, and towards the ends I'm curling it under just like a curling iron and making sure that my hair has that gel and just takes shape. I really want to make sure that my hair is saturated with product. This is how my styles are able to last for so long, because I do apply a generous amount to my hair, also making sure that my hair is completely dry and twirling my hair. This really gives me that curl pattern I love. And here's how the right side of my hair looks. And just an observation, right after I finish applying the clear gel, I noticed that the side with the blue gel has a lot of shrinkage. I wasn't sure if it was because it had time to dry or whatever. But I am also doing my shower cap method. Make sure to check that video out if you haven't watched it. I will link it down below in the description box, so you can just click the link and watch the video. But I am applying 2 separate plastic bags to my hair, so it's not one. I thought about that and I made sure that I put 2 different plastic bags over my hair for each side. And here is how my hair looks. And I added 1 more bag over top of both bags just to make sure that none of the bags slipped off of my hair while I was sleeping. And for added protection, I made sure that I applied my favorite bonnet right on top, and then I went to sleep. Fast forward to the next day. It's currently 11:53 and I'm ready to take the shower caps off. So I gently remove the caps and I'm going to shake my hair out because I don't want my hair drying in a big clump or like big clusters. That's not the look I'm going for. I just really want to gently separate my hair, shake it out, do whatever I have to do so it does separate on both sides. And what I did notice is that the side with the clear gel, it did feel a lot lighter. And also looking at both sides, it looks like the side with the blue gel definitely gave me a lot of shrinkage than the side with the clear gel. And also I could see a little bit of hair coming out. I guess that little piece of hair did not get as much gel as it should have. But also the side with the clear gel, it looks like it is a lot fuller, and I really like that. So here's just a quick snapshot. So the side with the blue gel is the side that has more shrinkage, and the side with the clear gel is a lot longer, and it definitely looks like it's more full. And I really like that. I want my curls to look full. I don't really like a lot of shrinkage. I know that's a sign of healthy hair, but still. So fast forward to almost 3:30. Here is how my hair is looking. Again, I air dry my hair, don't use a diffuser, and the side with the blue gel definitely gave me a lot of shrinkage, and it seemed to be drying a lot quicker. Now the side with the clear gel, the ends, they didn't feel as dry, like it didn't have that gel cast on it, and I did like that. It still looks like the side with the clear gel was a lot longer, and I also love it. I love that I didn't have as much shrinkage. I know that shrinkage is a sign of healthy hair. I just really love when my hair looks nice and full, voluminous, and still defined. So further in that night at 11:30, I could really tell the difference. So this side with the clear gel, you can really see my curls. They don't look so tight, but they still are defined, and I really love that. I love definition, I love volume, but I did notice that the side with the clear gel was still damp versus the side with the blue gel. It was pretty much dry at this point because I was running around doing errands, so I was out and about. So that's another reason why I love to do wash and goes when I'm out, because my hair still has time to dry, especially in the summer because it dries pretty quickly because I'm out. Now I'm just going to tie my scarf around and my bonnet for the night. This is how I sleep anytime I have a wash and go. Fast forward to the following day. Here is how my hair looks, and my curls still look good. They are clumped together. I'm just going to shake it out to make sure that I'm getting that volume I need. And this is the day, like day 2, where I really have my good wash and go days. Like this is where it starts. And here's how my hair looks in the back. Still, the side with the clear gel is longer than the blue side. And then I'm going to use some Forbidden Hair Oil. This is by Bumba Curls, and it is a Dominican hair oil, and it has coffee beans in it, so it does smell like coffee. I'm just using this more so to scrunch the crunch out, because I definitely got a crunch with the side with the blue gel. But on the other side, the right side with the clear gel, I didn't really have so much of a crunch. I felt like it was a more of a stronger hold, but I just did not get that gel cast like I did with the blue side. So I'm also just separating any bigger curls because you know I love my volume, and any curls that are clumped together, I just want to separate for more volume. So that's all I'm doing right now. Now that I have separated my curls with the blue gel, it's time to do the same thing to the other side with the clear gel. And my hair, it did not have that gel cast on it, and I really like that because a lot of times I feel like I'm scrunching the crunch out when it comes to the blue gel. Sometimes I'll add another styler in it just to soften it up, but with the clear gel, I did not get a gel cast, and I really liked it. I still had that definition. I had that elongation from this gel, like my curls were still elongated. I really like it. I didn't feel like I had all this shrinkage like I did with the blue gel. And overall, I think I do like the side with the clear gel better because I had more pros than cons, like with the blue gel that I'm used to. I mean, before I was always using the blue gel, so it was just natural to me. But comparing it with the clear gel, I like it better than the blue gel. And even throughout the day, people stopped me to tell me they loved my hair. They didn't realize it was two different sides, like two different curl patterns, but then I told them and they liked the side with the clear gel a lot better. So I definitely agree. I like the side with the clear gel. Let me know down below in the comments what side you like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!